That returns a string. The generator just uses that. So it doesn't need this generation, and the data object must expose this method. Public static get generated name. Okay. PHP index. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I forget where I was. So call static is going to get generated name and return generator. Oh, that's right. I need to run the generate thing on here. Generate. Nope, that doesn't work. Generate. Lame. Public visibility. Public static function. Call static. Call user method. Okay, fine. I'll call user method array. Whatever. .104. Why does it pass that by reference? I want to do that. This is really messing with me. Yeah, exactly, but that doesn't work. So I have to do that. That's so lame. So lame. And that works. Of course that works. Super lame. Okay, but this doesn't give me exactly what I need here. Generate makes a new schema. I have to do model build. That should give me generated classes, and that's like a stinking long class name. Come on. With equal symbols! Of course. Of course. And it, oh man, that's amazing. That is fantastic. Okay, so base64 is probably not going to work. But MD5 can give collisions quite easily. SHA1. Generate. Build. So that's slightly better. Maybe we can prefix the stuff and make it a little bit nicer. Maybe we do class with that. In fact, maybe we just do class and char. Generate, build. But then it gives me this ugly nonsense. It gives me this nonsense. I don't want this nonsense. Let's see. PHP, oh, not that. PHP magic constants. What other options do we have that are also fast? This coffee is like super cold now. Oh, gross. Yeah, I should cache this as well. Static this generated name. Why do I need generate on the end of this? Query is what I need. Stupid. Generated query name. Okay, so we do generated query name, and then we use that directly in here to get the new query reflection. Okay, generated query name gives us that nonsense. Query reflection gives us that nonsense. So this is only created, the reflections are only created once per use of this. And the generated name, generated query name, generated name, lol. Then we can reuse that in the instance versions of this. I think that's better. What do you think? Do you think that's better? Okay, so class, what we're going to have to do is this kind of thing. Reflection is this. Static class, because I feel that's better. Reflection gets... What's the name I want here? Oh, I closed it. GitHub better reflection. Get short name. Get short name. Get short name. Reflection get short name, and reflection get name. MD5 with prefixes to avoid collision. MD5. I think MD5 is fine. Not actually that super worried about this. Generate. Lame. Generate, model build. This should give me something that looks much better. Sweet. Page with a lot of nonsense. As base page with a lot of nonsense. Extends base page with a lot of nonsense. And query does this as well. Don't save, don't save, don't save. What are you doing? Don't save. Okay, and then I actually want to. Well, do I really want to see what this looks like? No, I don't really. Okay, so query is page. What's a Propel? What's a Propel thing? Propel find. Propel find, sure. Propel find. Access undeclared static property generated name. That's right, I didn't actually declare it. Private static generated name. Private static query reflection. So this is reflection of query class, and the type is reflection class. And this is cached generated Propel Propel class name, class prefix. Class prefix? Sure, why not? Bar string. Okay. Thing, can't access property page generated name. On what line? Data object 84. This static generated name. Private static generated name. If empty, if empty. Cannot access property page generated name. Private? Does this have to be... I don't want to make this stuff public. Do I just not use late static binding for this? I mean, but that's going to get the wrong thing, though. Damn. What happens if I take these out again? Undeclared static property. I really want to with no thises and no creating temporal instances of this. Temporary, I think, is the word I was looking for, not temporal. Temporal is the wrong word altogether. I think the private static is the problem.